A failing root canal. Let's pay attention because this is important stuff. You have a tooth, you had a root canal, and now it's failing. Your options are two: remove and replace the tooth, or save the tooth by fixing a failed root canal. You were told the root canal is failing. A patient should always be given the opportunity to seek the opinion of a root canal specialist. Why? Because it is very expensive, more complicated, and time-consuming to replace a tooth. Many general dentists and specialists are not familiar with some of the advancements that our office can do to save a tooth. Unfortunately, depending on the insurance plan, the dentist or specialist may not want to retreat the failing root canal because it is not cost-effective for themselves to spend more time on it. Seek another opinion. It is inexpensive and gives you peace of mind. Why is the root canal failing? Question I get a lot. There can be a variety of reasons, both complicated and not complicated. There could be missed roots, persistent bacteria, iatrogenic dentistry, crack in the tooth, missed accessory canals. Technology used by specialists. Specialists use 3D imaging and surgical microscopes. This allows us to see a lot of detail on what a lot of times the general dentist may not see. Remove and replace a tooth. Choices. Well, if I pull a tooth, what are the options? Well, I can do nothing and have a space. I can have a fixed bridge. I could have a removable bridge, or I can have a tooth implant. All are acceptable, depending on the patient. Fixed bridge. Pros: effective, quick, may need a graft or not, depending on where the tooth was removed. The cons: more expensive. If the porcelain chips on one tooth of the bridge, then the whole bridge has to be replaced. New teeth being prepared may need added expenses, like root canal, depending if the nerve is irritated. It's also harder to clean food out underneath the bridge. Implant information. Possible added costs to consider: the extraction, a graft, a sinus lift, abutment, and a crown. They still can lose bone like teeth. Saving a tooth. Look how happy these people are saving their tooth. That's why it's important. Retreating a root canal. Two choices: conservative retreatment or surgical treatment. Conservative retreatment, most preferred, no loss of work time, 90-ish success rate, microscope and 3D x-ray 100% necessary. Surgical treatment. Case selection is important and may be the most preferred. You get ice for the day and 80 to 90% success rate. Microscope and 3D 100% necessary. Conservative retreatment. On the left you have a bad root canal. The root canal fillings are the white lines going down the center of the roots. The large dark area is the infection. This tooth failed because the root canal fillings were not down to the end of the roots. The slide on the right, the root canal was retreated successfully with root canal fillings now going down to the ends of the roots. This tooth was saved. Then there's surgical treatment, where a small incision is made in the gum and the infection is removed and the root is fixed at the end. This can be a very easy and painless procedure depending on which tooth and again on case selection. Thank you. Give us a call. njrootcanal.com.